Welcome, brave chef, to the ultimate culinary challenge. Your mission is to conquer the legendary pizza bun, a mythical dish that combines the powers of pizza and bread. Are you ready to embark on this doughy adventure? Excellent. First, you must gather the ingredients for the pre-ferment dough. Collect the flour, yeast, and water. Mix them until they form a perfectly smooth ball. Well done. Now let the pre-ferment dough ferment at 30 degrees C for 40 minutes, or skip this step if you're in a hurry to save the kingdom from hunger. Time to prepare the main dough. Combine the bread flour, salt, sugar, butter, egg milk mixture, and the pre-ferment dough. Knead them until the dough becomes smooth and elastic like the muscles of a legendary bread warrior.
Okay.
Excellent work, brave chef. Now let the dough ferment at 30 degrees C for 1 hour. During this time, you can refuel with a power-up snack or practice your pizza flipping skills. The dough has risen, and it's time to face the final challenge. Roll or stretch the dough onto the baking tray, then add the tomato sauce, shredded cheese, sausage, and pineapple toppings or any other toppings you desire. Preheat the oven to 180 heat and bake the pizza bun for 20 minutes. As it bakes, the aroma of victory will fill the air, luring hungry villagers from far and wide. Congratulations, brave chef. You have conquered the pizza bun quest and created a legendary dish that will be celebrated throughout the land. Your culinary skills have saved the kingdom from hunger, and your name will be etched in the annals of pizza bread history forever.